In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional resume in Microsoft Word using a template. Let's get started by opening Microsoft Word. Once Word is open, head to the File tab and choose New. In the search box at the top, type the word Resume and press Enter. Word will display a gallery of ready-made designs. Take a moment to browse through the options and preview a few. Look for a clean layout with clear headings and enough space for your experience. If you're applying to roles that use applicant tracking systems, simpler text-focused templates often work best. When you find one you like, click it, then click Create to open the template. You'll see placeholder text for each section. Replace the placeholders with your own information, starting with your name and contact details at the top. Keep it professional, your full name, a city and state or country if you prefer, a professional email, and a link to a portfolio or profile if it strengthens your application. Next, update the objective or summary. Aim for 2 to 3 concise sentences that highlight your role, your key strengths, and what you bring to the employer. Think of it as a quick snapshot, not your entire story. Move on to work experience. List your roles in reverse chronological order, with your most recent position first. Include your job title, employer, dates, and a short set of achievements. Use strong action verbs and, where possible, quantify results, such as improving a process or contributing to growth. Keep the language clear and consistent. Fill in your education with your degree, institution, and graduation date or expected date. If you're early in your career, you can add relevant coursework or honors. Then, tailor the skills section to match the role you're targeting. Focus on the tools, technologies, and competencies the job description emphasizes. If the template includes additional sections like certifications, projects, or volunteer work, use them to reinforce your qualifications. After the content is in place, format the text to make it clean and professional. Stick to readable fonts, keep sizes consistent for headings and body text, and use bold or color sparingly for emphasis. Check alignment and spacing so everything looks balanced, and keep your resume to one page when possible. Finally, save your resume by going to File, then Save As. Choose a clear file name with your name and the word resume, pick your location, and select the file format. Save a Word version for editing and a PDF for sending, so your formatting stays intact. That's it. Your resume is ready to go.